Struggling to release software on time? Troubled by breakdowns between your development and operations teams? Say hello to peace of mind with Arrowsoft DevOps services. We don't just provide DevOps, we revolutionize your entire software lifecycle. Imagine a world where your development and operations teams are not at opposite ends but are two sides of the same coin, working seamlessly to deliver robust software faster than you thought possible. Automated deployments. Gone are the days of manual errors and deployment hesitations. With Arrowsoft, automate your entire deployment pipeline and launch updates whenever you want, worry-free. Team synergy. Enhance communication between your dev and ops teams. Think of it as the ultimate team-building exercise, but for productivity and software reliability. Real-time insights. Make data-driven decisions with our dashboard solutions that provide you a 360-degree view of your software development process. Quick market entry. Why wait months when you can go to market in weeks? Our services cut down your development cycle, making sure you're the first one out the door. Unbeatable quality. With our industry-proven CI/CD practices, each release is not just faster but also of the highest quality. Say goodbye to post-release hotfixes. 24/7 uptime through best-in-class monitoring and alerting. Never worry about unexpected downtimes again. Our DevOps setup offers top-of-the-line monitoring and alerting features, ensuring that your services not only stay up but also run at peak performance round the clock. Arrowsoft. Better IT best solution. Arrowsoft DevOps services. Deliver robust software faster, with confidence. Contact us today to learn more about our DevOps service. www.arrowsoft.co